In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to learn a new language. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where you create and manage your notebooks, which are like dedicated workspaces for specific topics. For language learning, each notebook can focus on one language, one course, or even one theme such as travel phrases or grammar basics. Next, create a new notebook by clicking the +Create New option on the dashboard. Give it a clear name that matches what you are learning, so it is easy to find later. Keeping separate notebooks for different levels or goals can help you stay organized as your materials grow. Now it is time to add learning content. In the Upload pop-up, select the sources you want to study. You can pull in PDFs, YouTube links, or files from your drive. Choose materials that match your current level, such as short dialogues, beginner readers, transcripts, or lesson notes. When you confirm, these sources will appear in the source panel on the left. This panel is important because Notebooklm uses only what you provide, so better sources usually lead to clearer explanations and more useful practice. With your sources loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. Type a question about the material to get help learning from it. For example, you can ask for vocabulary definitions, key phrases, grammar explanations, or a summary in simpler language. Notebooklm will respond with clickable citations, so you can jump directly to the exact part of the source that supports the answer. Use those citations to verify meaning, review context, and avoid memorizing phrases incorrectly. To create ready-made study outputs, go to the Studio panel on the right. Choose Audio Overview to hear a spoken breakdown you can replay like a mini lesson. Choose Slide Deck to get a structured study outline you can review quickly. Or choose Video Overview for a guided recap that helps reinforce what you just learned. Whenever you see a helpful response, click Save to Note. This builds a personal study library inside the notebook, so you can collect explanations, vocabulary lists, and summaries in one place. Use this workflow consistently, and you will be able to learn a new language with focused materials, clear explanations, and easy review. That covers everything you need to know.